Now Robin is nicking my shot because I made such a good job of spotting it, and now he's nicked it. Well, I did say a few weeks ago that I consider the Seaside to be a great landscape location, so I'm back again. Now the light is fantastic today. It was chucking it down an hour ago, but the forecast said it would clear, and clear it has. And that leaves us with all this lovely reflection on the sand. There's water everywhere. There's kids making a bloody racket. It's fantastic. Okay, underneath the pier, Robin is trying to do a HDR without a tripod. Good luck with that, Robin. I am not sure what I'm going to shoot, but I love the underside of old buildings and piers like this. Just got to decide how to shoot it. Right, very briefly, equipment for the day is a Nikon FE with a yellow filter and a 50mm lens and some Delta 400. That's it. Now I did say, did I not, on a video recently, well I don't know, maybe recently, difficult to know sometimes, I put them out at all different random times, but I do recall saying that the Seaside to me is a genuine landscape location with huge opportunities, huge. So that's why I'm shooting here again today. I'm absolutely, I was going to say, sorry, distracted there. I'm absolutely loving it. Simple camera, single lens, one film, couldn't be simpler. Simple. Sorry, I think I said simple too many times. Now, they were always telling you years ago not to shoot into the light, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to shoot into the light of this shot, and it will probably flare terribly, it will blow out, and you may not see much. It could be a really good image, because I'm trying something to experiment, to be a bit different, not to do the same old, same old. Right, I've got past the water and Robin, and I'm getting more of what I want now, which is wet feet now, which is that. Oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. Oh, I do like to be beside the sea. Now, when I'm shooting 35mm handheld in casual, not casual style, sort of semi-urban, non-typical landscape location, shall we say, I tend not to use my preview device, my little iPhone, to work out the compositions. I just tend to go with it, frame it with the actual camera's viewfinder. Being an SLR, of course, you don't need the thing switched on. Yeah, I think that typically works for me. I mean, I use a bit more film than I would if I was carefully lining up shots, but I want the spontaneity, I want the enthusiasm to come through, and if it means wasting a few frames, so be it, because I'm having a blast. I'm getting a bit short of ideas, really. I'm struggling a little bit now. Might need a refreshment break, or perhaps a change of subject matter, get back into the town and shoot something derelict. Whatever, it's no use carrying on like this, because I'm not going to get anything if my head's in the wrong place and I just can't see things. So time to change. Now I'm seeing something. My eye is being drawn, my legs are being drawn there as well, never mind my eyes. I'm getting drawn towards something, almost like a tractor beam has grabbed hold of me. Let me just show you. Alright, it's maybe quite a way away for you on a wide angle GoPro, but there are these pipes and there are lines and there are objects, man-made objects pointing into a sky full of cloud, a sky full of interest, railings, steps, geometric shapes. Hey, I've suddenly woken up again. Now I have taken one of the pipes, but to be honest, to get the best angle I'm going to have to get over the other side and work it a bit more, because this is the lazy photography angle. This is the angle I approached it from, and to be honest, to get the best out of it, I'm going to have to use my legs. Definitely walk around it at least 360, because how do you know what it looks like unless you do a full 360? It's just lazy photography. Yeah, what a hero. You see what I mean? Looks a lot better, doesn't it? Look at this. Well, if you enjoyed this content, check out this other video I did recently on shooting at the seaside. Hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you again soon.